For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of scrambling to cook eggs for your family every morning? But here's what surprised me when I tried out the Dash Mini Egg Cooker and Steamer. It changed everything. Most electric egg cookers take up way too much space on your countertop, but this little gem is compact enough to fit in even the smallest kitchens, therefore saving you valuable storage space. \n. But let's get real for a second. Have you ever tried to steam eggs without ending up with a soggy mess? It can be frustrating and time-consuming, but I'll show you exactly how the Dash Mini Egg Cooker solves this problem. Therefore, it's not just an egg cooker, but also a steamer that will take your breakfast game to the next level. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it really worth the hype? Well, let me tell you, my friends. This baby can cook up to 6 eggs at once, and I mean perfectly every single time. You'll get silky smooth yolks and firm whites without any fuss or mess. But don't just take my word for it. Thousands of satisfied customers have shared their own experiences with this product on Amazon, therefore making it one of the top-rated egg cookers in its class. \n. Here's a rundown of what you can expect from the Dash Mini Egg Cooker. It's a compact design that won't clutter your countertop. Multifunctional, cooks and steams eggs to perfection. Large capacity, cooks up to 6 eggs at once. Easy to use and clean, perfect for busy households. Now let's talk about some of the other benefits you'll get from using this egg cooker. Therefore, it's not just a kitchen gadget, it's a time saver, stress reliever, and meal prep game changer. For example, imagine being able to whip up breakfast in just 5 to 7 minutes without having to monitor the stove or worry about overcooking your eggs. It's like having your own personal chef, therefore freeing you up for more important things, like spending time with family. But here's the thing, this egg cooker is not just for breakfast. Therefore, get creative and use it to make omelettes, frittatas, or even hard-boiled eggs for snacking on the go. The possibilities are endless. In fact, one of the most surprising things I discovered about the Dash Mini Egg Cooker was its ability to adapt to different cooking styles. Whether you're a fan of soft scrambled eggs or prefer your yolks firm and runny, this cooker has got you covered. But don't just take my word for it, let's dive deeper into some of the key features that make this egg cooker stand out from the rest. Therefore, let's get technical for a second. Key features: automatic shutoff prevents overheating and ensures your eggs are cooked to perfection. Non-stick bowl makes cooking and cleaning a breeze. Compact design won't clutter your countertop or take up too much space. Now that we've talked about the features, let's talk about the benefits. Therefore, it's not just about what this egg cooker can do, it's about how it will change your life. Benefits: saves time and reduces stress in the kitchen. Perfect for meal prep and cooking large batches of eggs. Adaptable to different cooking styles and preferences. But here's the thing, the Dash Mini Egg Cooker is not just a product, therefore it's an investment. It may seem like a small purchase at first, but think about all the money you'll save in the long run by being able to cook eggs perfectly every time. Therefore, if you're tired of mediocre egg cooking results and want to take your breakfast game to the next level, then the Dash Mini Egg Cooker is for you. But don't just take my word for it, order now and see the difference for yourself. For the best price, click the link in the description.